Great to be with you this week. This week, we're going to talk about our ABCs. Maybe not the ABCs of elementary school. My ABC this week is always be curious. When we're curious, we're learning. When we're learning, our minds are open to whatever is new and aware of changes and allowing what can be. When we stop being curious, that's when we become rigid and stagnant and stuck. And our health would be so much better if we were curious, because in our health, we want to be flexible, we want to be fluid, we want to be able to move around easily. So our ABCs, let's get back to, how about our food? It's a wonderful time during the summer that all the farmers markets are open and the vegetables and fruits are fresh and wonderful. Let's get out there and research some wonderful new recipes that just great whole fresh food. The other area is our movement. Be curious about our movement. Maybe go find a new class, Tai Chi, Qigong, or yoga. Just maybe go take a martial arts class or something. Just something fun and different and getting us out there and getting our mind thinking just in a different direction. Maybe we're feeling some aches and pains somewhere. That's energy kind of just stuck in our body. That is a great message that we need to move. Our breath. Our breath is our greatest gift and our greatest self-care tool. When we're feeling scared, when we're feeling angry, when we're feeling depressed, coming back to our breath is the most important thing that we can do. I've shared before, a good full belly breath. Fill our stomach with air and then exhale. It's a wonderful cleanser of toxins from our body. It brings oxygen to our brain. It just fuels us and it calms us down. Breath is wonderful to help calm our nervous system too. So be curious and practice good breath. Don't do it too much because you might get dizzy. But just practice some nice deep breaths. So the ABCs, very easy and simple. Always be curious. Keep life simple. We always used to say KISS, keep it simple, silly. Find something new to explore. Take a class, learn some art, get out the watercolors, have some fun. Life will flow. Life is meant to flow with comfort and ease. And that's what happens when we practice our ABCs. Have a great week, everybody.
I know you can't get enough of Jean. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Jean's Words of the Week.